Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys vivo phone languages setting. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you set your Hindi language in your vivo phone. Guys, you want to set your Hindi language in your vivo phone, so you can set. And guys, now let's see how to set Hindi language in our vivo phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to set Hindi language. Then guys, scroll it and guys you can see your phone system settings, second last step here. First click on language setting, languages. So you can see guys we don't have Hindi language. So first of all guys we will have to add Hindi language. So I click on add a language and guys you can see your Hindi Bharat Hindi. So as you can see guys we have Hindi language we have added, and guys how can you set guys you can see. So you can see guys this two line here. So I do like that, then wait for minute, then guys you can see it's loading guys. And guys now you can see guys you can use your Hindi language in your Vivo phone. You can see guys like shortcuts like that. So I hope friends you have understood how to set Hindi language in Vivo phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye friends. Before going please go and like my video.